Not too bad. Contact. I definitely didn't forget to drill these holes out. Let's do that now. All right, because we're on a limited amount of washers, I went ahead and cut the spacers. Oh, that's perfect size right there. All right, so that's good. Now, next set of wheels, let's do that. God, that's so many washers. Oh no, motherfucker! I mean, they fell out. I didn't curse at all. So, washer, spacer, spacer. Not cool. I'm gonna weld right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. Three, two, one. Woo! Glad I did that. All right, so that one's on. Get a little heat shield right there. Contact. Ah! Fire! Fire hot! Fire bad. There's just some slight damage. Nothing. Hopefully too bad. Alright, let's go grind this. Well, polish it. Whatever you want to wire wheel it. Yeah, let's call it that. Not too bad. These welds actually turned out better than I thought. The battery's about to die, but hopefully you guys can see this. Last side. This should hold the weight of a child. All right, cool. Back wheel test, here we go. Oh man, it works. That's so cool. Oh, let's get the front one. Be right back. All right, here's the front one. It's a little stiff. There we go. Just gotta throw it a little harder. Now I gotta figure out how to design the body of it. Oh, there it goes. It fell off. Boop. Cool. Now. Alright, that's gonna be a tough one, figuring out how to design the body of it.